All right, what's going on, guys? Day number 6. I'm gonna get these bags hooked up. So I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna hook up all the airlines and whatnot and just hopefully start getting some air in the bags. I also gotta jack up the front axle and stuff so that, so that I can put together the front axle. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so as you saw, I got like all the airlines hooked up. This is a huge airline, like this is 3/4 inch. So the way that this works essentially is it goes from the bag to the purge tank. It goes from the purge tank down, around, and into the actual manifold down there. Right there. And then same with the other side. Okay, so from the bag to the purge tank, from the purge tank down and over to the actual manifold. Then from the manifold here, it runs to the tank. Okay, then from right here, as you can see this fitting on the dryer, that runs to the other side of the tank. I do not have that one connected yet. Then my left front line runs from the manifold, runs up and all the way along the cab, and then into the front bag there with that fitting, and then same with the left side, as you can see, and then it's just all zip tied up nice and neat against the frame. And then this comes back, and then into, bang, right into the manifold. So, where's my wiring harness? This is my wiring harness. I'm gonna get this connected tomorrow morning. A couple powers, grounds, this is ignition, and then this is the USB for the actual controller, which is, man, this thing literally smells brand new still. Like it's crazy. Anyways, yeah, so that goes to the controller, okay? So, yeah, and then tomorrow I also want to get my sensors on. So these sensors go ahead and mount up in here like this. So you can get a better angle. And then one of these bars goes on, one of these bad boys, goes from that sensor to this arm with, where are they? With one of these bad boys over here. So these actually clamp onto the arm. And then same with the front. But as you can see, look at the size of these train horns. Like, I don't know what they expect, but like, dude, this is literally ridiculous. Like, that's pretty much the size of this door. Like, that's where I'm gonna mount that, not a clue. But as you can see, I'm really running out of parts now. So I'm hoping that tomorrow, by the time that I get the axle built, I'll be able to jack it up and put the front wheels on at least, and then I'll be able to air the front up to 14 inches, because right now it's fully depressed. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys got any questions at all, just let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great evening.